Let's get back onto fucking camera because bitch, it's been a while.
Hopped on the next flight, bitch, I'm Chuck E. Cheese, get into the tokens. It's a privilege just to be in my presence. I don't treat niggas like kings, I treat them like peasants. Fuck nigga, it's a privilege just to be in my presence. I don't treat niggas like kings, I treat them like peasants.
Hey guys, so today in today's video we are going to be doing the new review or whatever, the new Morphe X James Charles palette. A lot of you guys have been seeing this all over the internet. Honestly, just to be honest with you, I am just not really okay. So I'm gonna tell you one thing. In the Morphe 35B palette, which I already purchased a really long time ago, I had a really big issue with the like the stain on my eyes and stuff like that on one of my most favorite shades, which is like the pink shades and the red shades, you know what I mean? Well, this palette has the same thing that's going on. So I wasn't having like irritation or whatever, I was just having the issue that my eyes were still stained. A lot of people, and I've been seeing on James Charles's video, and I know he already claimed and already said all about that. You need to use MAC Pro Paint Pot or whatever. Not Pro Paint Pot, but the Painterly Paint Pot from MAC or whatever. I don't have no time to be going to purchase no motherfucking MAC motherfucking eye primer when I can use my motherfucking damn concealer. Not everybody has money to go spend $23, so bitch, give me what the fuck I want, okay? Like, the only thing I expected in this palette was a simple fact that I didn't want that issue, you know what I mean? That's why I already knew he was going to come out with this palette. One of my friends that I used to talk to back in the day, I'm not friends with him no longer, but he brought it up. He was like, he's coming out with that palette. He like, you know, that's why they're discontinuing that one palette, because it just fit him and everything. So this palette really fit him. Like, I'm being honest with you, this whole collaboration really goes with him, you know what I mean? How he just started off and he was really creative. He brought out a lot of like innovative looks that nobody really did back then. So not getting into too much ramble, but I just want to tell you guys that off the bat about this palette. I already tried it or whatever. This is not my first impressions, so don't get it twisted, and let's get on to this video. By the way, I'm high as fuck. First off, I am going to be going in, I'm honestly going to go with this shade. So honestly, I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the Morphe James Charles palette. You guys already know what fucking palette I'm using. I'm high as fuck, so excuse me. Anyways, we're going to be going in with that shade that I just showed you, and we're going to be going in with my M505 brush from Morphe. I'm not good at that fucking whole number shit, so like make a fucking name. Like, if I ever come out with a brush collection, I'll actually do names on them, like Samantha, Rose, you know, not like fucking numbers, because it honestly is so confusing for us slow bitches, so it's just not the deal. So I'm just going to be going in with this. Bitch, I forgot to zoom you guys in. You know what I mean? This is why I can never be high doing a fucking tutorial. So now that you guys are zoomed in, I am going to be going in with this, and I'm going to be going in swiper motions. This brush from Morphe is honestly so good at blending shadow out. I'm just going to say that right now. It's so good. Honestly, this is just going to be the base to this whole today. This is just going to be the transition shadow for the look that's going to come ahead. Honestly, off the bat, I already know this is going to be a neutrals look. Not neutrals, like warms, you know what I mean? Maybe warm, maybe red, maybe terracotta. We don't know. Okay, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. And this is like a purple, or like more of a purple red shade. I can see a little red in here, even though like might be colorblind. But we're going to be going in with my e.l.f. blending brush. Sorry about that. And we're going to be blending this in my lid. Not really blending, just packing, bitch. To blend out the fucking purple, we're going to be going in with my MAC 224 brush. And we're going to be blending that out. Is this my 224 brush? Yeah, this is my MAC 224 brush. Let me see. Yeah, it's 224. I literally haven't done tutorials in forever that I don't even need to know like the brush number. As long as I know what fucking the brush looks like, I know what the fuck I'm buying. Because I do a lot of pink looks and shit like that, I am going to be going in with this dark purple in the palette. Just because of the simple fact that I do a lot of fucking colors like this, so I'm trying to just switch it up a little. what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pack this shade on the outer V of my lid. Just because I really want to focus this purple shade on the outer V, just to add some dimension to the outer V. And I was going to cut the whole crease, but what I'm going to do is I'm really going to fuck it up. I'm really going to fuck it up today. Let's go in with this baby blue shade right here. And I'm going to be going in with my MAC. It's not even a baby blue. It's more of like a dark blue. And I'm going to be going in with my MAC 224 brush. And I'm just going to be blending that shade that I just applied into my outer V with that. Don't really know what the blend is. I don't really know what the blue is really intendedly to do to my eye, because it's really not doing nothing but just really just darkening up a little bit more the look. I'm back on camera, bitches. I'm going to be cutting my crease with my Morphe M167 brush. By the way, I was just eating a fucking candy, so excuse me if you don't like people smacking. And if y'all want to see a mukbang, bitch, let me fucking know, okay? I don't... Oh shit, I'm about to die in this fucking video. If I can't do this on camera, excuse me, because I might be going like this, like a stupid ass, so I'm sorry if I can't get this on video, because I'm a stupid ass bitch, and I already did an Instagram tutorial, and I'm not about to try to look so fucking perfect when I fucking can't, okay? Okay. So now for the rest of the video, we are going to be going on voiceover for now on because of the loudness. Anyways, so we're going to be going in with the Becca Aqua Luminous Foundation from Becca, like I just said, and I love this foundation. I am using the 301 brush from Real Techniques. This is one of their, I think, one-time collection or whatever, the purple collection. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to be blending that out with my beauty blender from Beauty Creations. Then I'm going to be going in with the Master Conceal from Maybelline. I'm going to be highlighting my face. I was using a Tarte eyeshadow brush that I got in one of the palettes that I purchased from them. So if you guys are wondering about the brush, so it's not no like, you know, MAC or anything. It's just like a Tarte brush that comes inside a palette. But I'm just going to be marking that all over my face, you know, under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm going to be blending that out with that Beauty Creations beauty blender. Honestly, about that beauty blender, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's starting to rip. It really started ripping really easily, so that's the only thing I didn't like. But now we're going to be going in with the Airspun translucent powder. The Airspun translucent powder is always my all-time favorite to set my under eyes. I really don't set all my face, but just my under eyes. So for the contour, I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to be contouring my face with that, and I'm using the same brush that I used for my concealer to contour my face. And I'm just going to be blending that out everywhere that I applied it at with my Beauty Creations beauty blender. I always have to say Beauty Creations because if I like mistake and say beauty blender, a lot of you guys are really going to think it's a real beauty blender. And I don't want you guys to be like, oh my god, he's like posing to have all this stuff, but he has a fake beauty blender. Like, no bitch, I don't try bitch, I know, okay? Okay. Now I'm going in with the darkest deepest from MAC, and we're going to be contouring my face. I started to notice that my contour was looking a little blotchy. I don't know if it was a routine that I did today was different. I didn't go in with the primer for today, which, you know, I totally forgot because I was high. So I didn't go in with a primer, obviously. And I'm now going to be just contouring my face with that, like you can tell. And I'm using one of my Real Technique brushes. If you're wondering, I just don't know the number, but I'll leave it down below. And I'm using this blush from Laura Geller. I'll leave this listed down below also for the name. I love this umbrella, like this blush is like so beautiful. Also, can we take a moment for my eyeshadow, girl? It's beaming. I love my eyeshadow today, bitch. That's no filter for all y'all bitches that try to come for me, okay? And I'm using an e.l.f. blush brush. So we're going to be going in with the Paris Hilton highlighting palette, and I love this highlighting palette. I purchased this at Target. It wasn't Target, actually. Mistake. I got it at Ross, I think, and I purchased it for like $4 or $5, which was really affordable. And yeah, I'm going to be going in with this darker green shade. I didn't, you know, point at it correctly on the screen that you're about to see. Like you see, I was pointing at that little shimmer green shade. No, I was using this shade on top of that. So if you guys are just wondering, I'm a dumbass like always. for brush number and lash name. It will be listed down below, also for my lip products. Before I go, guys, I want you guys all to know that I love you guys all so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video using the new James Charles X Morphe collaboration, Unleash Your Inner Artist, and today was a look that I created with that palette. Before I go, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all on my next one. Take care, guys, and oh, by the way, be glad, sisters.